This property is called the Residences at Government Center. It is a larger affordable housing property, 270 units total. We have a combination of studios, 1-bedrooms, 2-bedrooms, and 3-bedroom apartments. We have market rate property amenities, including a pool, a community room, television areas, and things of that nature to serve the residents.
By building workforce housing, such as the Residences at Government Center, many young people, entry-level professionals, and lower-income residents now have an affordable option for living near where they work.
I've been living here at the residence since December 2016. And since I've been here, everyone's been very supportive of me, so I love it. By retiring on a fixed income, it's hard to find affordable housing. But I found this, and it's very suitable for me, and it's everything I need.
Part of the income qualification process is you can't make more than 60% of the area median income adjusted for family size. One of our tenants is a county employed social worker, very, very important position within the county. They tend not to make a lot of money. She was living at home. This gave her opportunity to move out of her parents' house and be on her own. Anybody who doesn't really understand what affordable housing is, I would invite them to come out here and look at the property and look at the people that are living here and see how it works and see the people that are being served. I suspect if you don't know what exactly affordable housing is, this might change your impression.
It's very accommodating, so I'm just enjoying it. And I've been waiting for this apartment for years, so I finally got it. And I have no intention of leaving no time soon.